blah, blah, blah.
There's a scarlet structure.
Kaya para maiwasan ang mga komplikasyon kay Baby Zia, agad siyang sumailang.
Ah. Aloko. Sing na. Good morning mga gwapa. Kamusta kayo? May pakita ako sa inyo. Sobrang dami kong pera, oh. Tignan nyo. Wala na. Nagisik naman ni oy. Nya sometimes pag yun mag-apas ako nila Jenny Bo, kay nakaganyan yung aking bulsa. Oy. Oy. Jackie boy. Smile wang ka diya. Ha? Smiling. Ito kami sa kaya ng kanilang papa. Gosh, did you like that whole night?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Rocking horses here, little ones. They might not be. They might be good for somebody.
Are they still in good condition? Though?
Yeah.
Then yeah, mate. Then when you get up there,
On the end, is it?
yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Cheers. Thanks.
Dito pala magtapon ng basura, oh. Dito na ilalagay, tapos straight lang. Nagsama-sama pa talaga kami. Ay, magtapon lang naman ng basura. Oh, the fridge is there too.
On your pack here. You see wood, garden waste, plastics, hard plastics, metal. See,
Yeah.
and the general waste is over there. But they have to have a look in your bag to see what you got. Huh?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I hope somebody pick this. Bye-bye, horse. Nagtapon kami ngayon. Nandito na naman kami sa toy
Has they got
shop.
a baby
Oh.
chair in the trolleys, mummy? I can't remember.
Oh, baby. Uy! Ito na may ulo, oh. May ulo. Uy!
Oh, so it's
Uy!
happy, yeah?
Uy!
See one there? It's dirty.
Now? Uy!
It's okay like that. Did you want to put the hat on him?
Now, we're going in, right?
Yeah.
Ali! Out ka? Nangmutaon pa man ni nagsuroy-suroy na. Iwat kay yang ilong sa kanyang papa.
Does he want to sit up a bit, you think?
Yeah. He's so curious. Ang mukha ni Jack ay ka-joker kayo. Just push it.
Push.
Taganda ay Christmas tree dito, oh. Namili ng kanilang tatay ng
So
kuan.
is she 5 to 6? 3s to 5s. Princess or...
Oh my gosh, she'll be dressing up.
Yeah? But do you think it'd be too big for her?
I don't think so.
Huh? Hold on a minute.
Grabe, ang daming laruan. There's a lot of toys here, no?
Think I'll fit there?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, that one?
She'll be wearing that. Tignan nyo naman ito. Sobrang mahal. 50 to. Ilan to? How many is in here? Nag-order kami
Thank you very
dito.
much. Thank you. Bye.
Oh, can I hold that, eh? Give that to me.
Right.
Yeah. Alam niyo ba? Order ng pineapple stick. Ang imagination ko, pineapple pie. Pineapple stick that is like that?
I've never had a pineapple before. I don't really like it.
But I mean,
I'd rather have
when
a
you
hash
read
brown.
it,
Yeah, it said pineapple stick when I read it.
when you, what's in your mind? Like cut pineapple? Papili niya ako kung ano. Ang imagination ko sa pineapple stick is pie. Cut pineapple man di ay?
Huh?
Why they don't say cut pineapple or slice pineapple? Why they say stick?
In your brain, you were looking forward to a pineapple.
Pie.
Pie.
Like a stick.
And now you've got stick.
Man.
Pop potato like that, put your sugar in.
Oh.
Yeah.
Pait.
You did once, yeah?
Yeah.
But JJ,
Man.
she liked them too, didn't she?
Yeah. But she's like you. She's like, 1 minute she's okay with that. The next time she's like, I don't want it. Kain guys. Ambot nagunsa si Jack sa likuran. No, to use this runabout over here in the UK is the very confusement.
It's a roundabout with a road through the middle, isn't it?
Yeah. It's crazy. There's lots of traffic light there.
Yeah. And you don't know which lane to go.
If you don't live
when I was over
here,
there, I was thinking, where do I go?
really? Here? You
Well,
still get confused?
I went-
Dito ako sa Morrison's kay ito ba naka-sale siya. Si Jenny gusto niya daw ng ganito. Pero ano ka na yung mas better, ito or yan? Kita niyo itong jack namin? Not even once umiyak. Pag nasa labas kami, oy, didi ka? Ay, gutom na ito. Dapat sana sa Christmas to, hindi ko na lang irap para meron na silang headset, oh. Ang ganda, oh. 20 pounds sana ang isa niyan. Sa Morrison's is nakasale lang siya ng 10 pounds. Yung dalawa yung binili ko. Para hindi sila mag-away. Dalawa kay Saba. Kayan sila. Manood kami ng TV. Ang kanilang mga PlayStation, mga ano-ano, Saba. Kaya yung TV. Hello! Nandito na silang Jenny. Ito sila na. Surprise ako pag maglinis sila sa kanilang room. Did you clean your room?
Yeah.
Sure.
Mommy, show my room.
Sure, oy. Nag-clean mo yung room? Yeah?
Yeah. My bedroom.
Okay. Go there. Close your eyes. No peeking.
I know what it is.
Where?
There.
That's not. See.
But it wasn't there before.
Close your eye. Ito sa mo upstairs. Go upstairs ka. Now, just go upstairs. Wala nila yan. Bigay ko yan sa aming neighbor kaya nagbigay yun ng mga daming regalo sa amin last time. Ay! Go upstairs! Yung mga marugin din si JJ, oy. Okay! Wait siya.
Wait, that's funny.
Yeah, Mishi, manggod mo. Sige, come here quickly, kay he's crying. Go there in front. Shang! Go there in front. JJ, here in front of the camera. 1, 2, 3. Face the camera, please. Sharing!
Hey! But Mommy needs headphones.
You happy? Yeah? Okay,
Mommy
let's
needs
get the...
headphones. Mommy.
What you want to say?
Thank you.
It should be
Mommy?
Christmas mommy gift, but I'll just give it to you now.
Why do you need headphones?
Oh, nihilak ang kanilang kapatid na si Jackoy. Kaalis ko lang dito ba? Ngayon? Kita niya ito siya. Ano cry man eh? Ano cry man yung baby ni mama? Ha? Smile na po siya, oh. Baka mag-burp. Burp ka? Dali, burp. Ikaw ang buhok. Burp si Jack. Burp ka? Tignan ko yung dalawa. Baka nag-open na yun sila doon. Okay ba na aking mga anak? Uy. It's not.
And then what's that?
That's my mommy's. You happy? Huh? Box. Yes? JJ, help her please. Jessica, help her. Oy, lower sana the volume the TV, be. What? What did you say?
You should have yours too.
Chew.
It's too noisy. Why?
There you go.
That's how
You have to make it tight. Mommy will adjust it for you. Hey, try it, Jenny.
How is this crazy? That's so easy.
Well, get your iPad, go.
But it's falling.
Yeah, I have to
Mine
adjust
isn't.
it. Gamers. Ambot, hindi ba kaya ito ano sa kanila? Delikado sa ears? Don't put it so loud, ha? Hoy! Not so loud.
It's not loud.
Yeah.
It's on this.
Wakwak is back na paiyak kami ni Wayne kanina at naghag nag-kiss and forever and ever dahil may isa naman milagro na nangyari sa aming pamilya ng big blessing and another the miracle in the blessing. Bitaw, oy. Ganang, yung bitawang nagpe-pray ka always na, Lord, I hope you guide us. I hope you, di ba namili kami ng mga regalo ng mga bata. Tapos nagtawag ang father-in-law namin. Sabi nila na, Wayne, dapat tawagan mo kami. Ganito, ganyan. So, pagkatapos namin mamili, tinawagan niya yung kanyang papa. Pagtawag niya sa kanyang papa, char, kung ano daw ang regalo sa mga bata. Every Christmas, nagbibigayan sila ng mga bata. And hindi namin in-expect yung blessing ba na dadating. As in, like, miracles happen. Kaya sobrang laki na binigay nila sa amin. Happy si Wayne kay ang dami niyang binili, mga over 100 pound ata yun. Mga regalo niya sa mga bata. Kaya Christmas is coming very soon. Madami silang regalo. Nagtawag man sila. Sabi nila, Wayne, magpadala kami ng money dyan. Obviously, si Jack maliit pa naman. Ang 100 sa inyo na lang ni Jane, bili kayo ng regalo, ganito, ganyan. So, sabi ko sa kanya na, I don't need anything man. Uy, matigas talaga ulo niya. Bilhan niya daw talaga ako ng gift. Tapos, ang mga bata, mayroon na silang regalo, diba? So, as in, ang laki. Yung, alam mo, Christmas gift nila. Sa akin na, sobrang laki ng binigay nila kay sino mang lolo at lola magbigay na ganun kalaki na amount. Na almost 30,000 pesos sa Pilipinas. Pero, wala sa akin. Nandun kay Wayne. Kay, parang i-cover up niya sa mga nagastos niya. Yung, every Christmas yan sila nagbibigay. Akala nga namin hindi nila bigyan si Jack. So binigyan nila si Jack. And I'm very thankful kay tulungan nila kami ba niya. Nag-message ako na mahaba sa talaga sa aking biyanan. Sobrang haba-haba na hindi ko pa nga siya na-replyan kaya nag-reply siya na hopefully makapunta daw kami sa kanila, makavisit kami doon kaya gusto nila makita na naman yung mga bata at si Jack. Disney Inday, hindi man ako hinambog ha. I'm just sharing to you sa mga blessings, dahil lahat tayo meron tayong blessings. I was just happy kami kanina, naghag-hag kami ngayon, kiss kay ikaw go daw mabigyan ng pira. Ngaon ta guys ng kuan, alam nyo 12 o'clock na dito, mag-edit pa ako nitong vlog kay nagsakit ko gikuan ko, sakit yung aking dito ba, tapos pinainom ako ng medicine na Asplate, matulog na ako pagkatapos ko mag-edit. So, thank you all everyone. Malapit na yung Pasko. Ano yung mga handa ninyo? And I hope we're all healthy and happy. Lahat ng ating problema, lahat ay mayroong solusyon. Basta, mag-pray lang talaga tayo sa Panginoon, no? He will always guide us. Hindi tayo pababayaan ng Panginoon. Kaon sa ako. Love you all. Salamat sa lahat ng comment din. Mura bang ni? Sad ka, dahil magkahila kunday. Wa na yung inday. Daghan kay kong kaspa kay gilusyang na kong taman. Sige lang. I-follow me ninyo sa FB ha. Kung gusto ninyo mga happy si inday na buang-buang doon. Oh. You can see a different side of me is the not stressing in the life full of energy.